Hi, welcome back to another video. I guess this is gonna be a two video kind of weekend. Yesterday I spent the day wrapping the fender on my green coupe here with this vivid carbon fiber vinyl wrap, and it came out really clean. If you want to see this video, I'll put a card up at the top, either this corner or this corner. I'm still trying to figure that part out. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, I think this was a really cool video. It was my first time ever messing with the wrap, and I think it came out really slick. So today I'm working on the Vitara D16 build. Took a crap on me, blah blah blah. I already explained what happened. Last week I pulled the head on my lunch break. I was able to do it like in 25 minutes. So today I'm gonna just kind of go take off the accessories, get the manifold out of here, and just kind of clean it up and just get ready to drop the block out of the car. So I got three things working against me right now on my time frame. It's about 11 o'clock. It's about to start getting really hot. I don't have much battery life on this camera, and whenever my wife gets back from church, I'm sure she's gonna want to go out and do something. So I'm basically just gonna do as much as I can in the small amount of free time that I have right now. So let's just see what I can do. I'm gonna start by taking off the alternator, water pump, probably this this bracket that's really just for the torque mount down here. I don't know, let's just see what I can do. Okay, I'm gonna start with the alternator. I already disconnected the battery so I don't short out this little power cable here. Just a 10mm nut. That off, and then from there should be a little connection. Yeah, there it is, a little green plug in the back. There we go, unplugged. That's unbolted. I think it's just a 10mm for the like a tension bracket right here. So that'll relieve the tension on it. I should be able to slide it. It's still too tight. Just go ahead and get it out of there. I literally just started working on this and I'm sweating. So sorry if you see my sweat dripping everywhere. It's not my boogers. It's just hot and humid as hell. Sorry. Okay. 14mm. As long as I can fit this little Milwaukee ratchet in places, it like makes everything so much easier. Just the problem is it's kind of tight. Get that. Okay, and there might be one more bolt on the bottom, but this is like the little bracket that puts tension on the alternator belt. Yeah, I think there's like one more bolt hiding on the bottom somewhere. Yeah, it's been a while since I took this apart. Man, I put it on so tight I can't even get it off. Ah, there you go. Must use the impact on that. Holy crap, yeah, there's one more 14mm on the bottom of the alternator. Damn, it was way too tight. Okay, now I can move it. Get the belt off of there, out of the way. Come on. And then it's got this like funny looking bolt with a square head on there. And the square head like keeps it from spinning, and it just like slides through the bottom. This is like the pivot point of the alternator. Got that crap off of there. And I already drew my first blood right here on my palm. I should be able to pull it up. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Okay. Next up is going to be the water pump. Looks like that's just a bunch of 10mm bolts. Well, not a bunch, maybe like 4. Let me see if I can put my ratchet in there. Tight fit. Probably just like 2 more in the bottom and it should come out. Okay, just 1 more. The one I can't really get to, maybe with an extension. The juice is loose. Come on. Okay, we got our water pump out. This basically has to come out because the pump pretty much has to come out. If it's installed, the sprocket is too long, and when I slide the motor away from the transmission towards the driver's side over here, the pump hits the frame rail and won't come over as far as I need it with this in the way. So it's just easy enough to just pop it off. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the turbo and the manifold out of there. Just throw that stuff in the trunk. Alright, it's already looking much better with the turbo, manifold, alternator, and water pump out of the way. Now I can get this big, it's like an AC tensioner bracket slash torque mount bracket. It's all like, it goes onto this front bracket here. I'm gonna pop that bracket off, and I guess next I can get the water pipe off. I'm actually running out of stuff to do. This motor is really easy to tear down. Hi guys, I told you I was like racing the clock, and it looks like what's gonna beat me is the heat. I don't know if you can see, but I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm soaked, I'm just about done. I've only been working on this for like 30 minutes. I'm just gonna pop off that front bracket I was telling you about, call it a day. Maybe I can get back on it tomorrow on my lunch break or Tuesday. Let's wrap this up. Alright, there it is guys. This is the finish report for today. I'm going to clean out the coolant and basically just, I'm going to keep some WD-40 on it. I might even put saran wrap just to kind of keep the cylinders fresh and stop it from rusting up. But yeah, it's fucking hot. So I'm going to call it a day. If you like this video, I know it was short, but don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
The fuck you so fix that.
Bullshit to that too, huh?
Episode 2 of the, fuck, what's the title?